Hi everyone, and welcome to another vlog. It is currently Easter weekend. Hope you guys are having a lovely Easter weekend if you celebrate Easter. We are currently in Jamaica and it is Good Friday, so we're heading to the river for a nice relaxing morning. I know we always talk about beaches when it comes to Jamaica and island life.
Mommy?
Yes?
Swimming in the river.
Okay. I know we always talk about beaches when it comes to island life and so on, but the rivers are also really beautiful in Jamaica, the waterfalls and so on. So we're heading deep into the country of St. Mary, right?
Yes.
St. Mary to Mulberry Valley, and we are gonna relax. So I'll share a little bit more about Mulberry when we get up there. It's so beautiful and amazing. It's just such a really nice, relaxing, remote luxury space. Absolutely amazing. So we're heading to the river for today, and come with us.
It's beautiful. You've been here before, Tori.
Yes, I did.
Yes, you are.
She yes.
I've been here before.
Yes, of course.
Let's cross forward to start the river.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah? Gorgeous peacocks. Oh, they're so pretty.
Looking at you, Mom. Can't see the pineapple.
You see it, Tori?
What, no, watch your
Wait,
mouth.
go in front of your mom. Careful,
Come
mommy.
on this way. Look at the baby pineapple.
Down there, mama. Right there.
Oh, that's so cute.
Your parent picked me up. Everything cute.
Careful.
So spiky.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little spiky. Come on.
Hey, look, it's got a turn yellow tree.
Lincoln love lychee and favorite thing. Hi, girls.
Hi, Kimo. Hello.
And we have ackee. This is our national fruit in Jamaica. It's not quite a fruit, it's more like a vegetable categorized, but it is called ackee. That's what we had for breakfast this morning. And these little orange things, they open up, and they open up into like a yellow base and a black seed, and you take the seeds out and you cook the yellow base, and it really tastes a lot like, the texture is a lot like scrambled eggs, but it tastes buttery, and we eat it with saltfish. So good. So many fruit trees. This is an avocado tree. We call it pear. We call avocado here. Here we call it pear in Jamaica, or avocados are called pear. But it's pretty much looking the same. The taste though, it's so much more fresher and smoother in texture and firmer, I think. Yeah. This is where we just drove down from. So peaceful. This is another tree. This is a guava tree. I could tell. This is a guava tree. Guavas on here. What are you looking for?
Look at
Seashells or snail shells?
No, seashell.
Okay, seashells. Let me know when you find some. What am I name again,
Where
babe?
is Moana?
Look, these little black beads with the red beads with the black on it.
I found another
Here, look. These ones, they have little... What am name again, babe? We used to call these. These little red ones with the black...
Drunk Ray,
A drankoyai?
Yes.
I don't know it as no drankoyai, babe.
A drunk Ray.
I found
That's
another.
so-
I found
that's something else
another
you used to call
seashell,
them.
Mom.
Dropped one.
Mommy, I found some money in the river.
And how much money is it?
100!
Can I buy some ice cream with it? Okay. Okay, wait, hold on. You can't go down there.
Mommy, come on. We have to go to the river.
Yeah, but water is you and daddy's business.
I'm gonna make a drink for you, watch out.
Yeah, ting.
But make a taste this boy, make it lighter than this. Make it lighter than that. I'm gonna make it lighter.
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah. And chicken too. Nice. Versus those future problems. So the river is beyond the trees here, just over there. That's where we were at the rivers, and where you see the stones beyond, so that's the river area. And check out how beautiful. I mean, it's just like perfection. So we are coming off of the entrance of the main pavilion there, and then you come over here and this is like all spread out. Like all I'm seeing is like the most gorgeous luxe wedding under the Caribbean sky. And just proper luxury country vibe. Like how gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. Like look at that. That's the backdrop, right? All of that. And you can see like leisure, luxe leisure, just effortless.
swapping out all of the bamboo, pine trees
I
up here.
love that.
You see enough pine trees, so when you look down from
You look up. Oh wow.
Hey! Welcome! So YouTube!
Wait, mommy, we're leaving now. Wait, when your daddy comes.
You didn't spend any time with me, so why are you asking me?
Why are we leaving when daddy comes?
Ask daddy, I don't know. I'm not in
That's
charge.
what he said.
No, he didn't say that. Don't drink no more juice. Or you drink too much juice. Joshua,
Remember that food you eat?
wait, go.
I only ate 2 pieces of chicken.
Yes, I mean, Rumble, you have hummus, but I can see bottom crack.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Just wrong. Miss Abs, where's Abs? I want those abs. Give me those abs. Saint Anna Mobe. Love you. See you, Mama. Look at this little munchkin. She's fast asleep. Oh, she's all watered out. She don't even know it. Look, she's all watered out. Oh. And that's it.
I just saw some goats.
Huh?
I saw some goats.
You saw goats?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I saw 2.
yeah, this is the countryside. I see a dog too.
Can't see it.
He's back. Coconut tree on the cave. Crazy, right? Sit beer at banana land.
Butcher is 53 miles.
That's the exact bridge, yeah. They have Clarendon. From going to the Maypin. Ghost Church, Mulberry Valley. The whole world. Yeah, sugar.